In addition of 14.2 exercise, question number 5. The length of a line segment is 10 unit and the coordinate of one end point are 2, minus 3. This is 2, minus 3. Consider this is A, this is B. If the abscissa of the other end is 10, abscissa, you know about the abscissa and ordinate. Abscissa means x value, ordinate means y value. Abscissa is 10, means 10, y coordinate is not given to you. 10, y. Find the coordinate of the other end. That means you have to find the value of y. Just in previous question we have discussed. The length is 10 unit. Use the formula, distance formula, to find the length of AB. Similarly, you can do this. Okay, I will discuss this. AB is equal to 10. That means 2 minus 10 is minus 8 square plus minus 3 minus y or y plus 3. Root over is equal to 10. And solve like this. Okay. Follow some questions, similar types of questions. Number 7, number 9, then number 16, 17, 19, 21, 28, 33, 42, 43 and 44. Okay. We will discuss the question number 9. Prove that the points 3, 0, 6, 4, minus 1, 3 are vertices of a right isosceles triangle. This is a triangle whose coordinates are given to you that 3, 0, 6, 4, minus 1, 3. A, B, C. Prove that this is isosceles right triangle. So for this purpose, first find the length of AB, BC, AC. Okay? What is the length of AB? 3 minus 6 whole square or 6 minus 3 whole square means 3 square plus 4 minus 0 square means 4 square is equal to 9 plus 16. Instead of taking AB, take AB square is equal to 25. Then BC square, 6 minus 1 means 6 plus 1, 7 square. 4 minus 3 square means 1 square, which is equal to 49 plus 1, which is equal to 50. Find AC, means AC square is equal to 3 minus 1 means 3 plus 1, 4 square plus 0 minus 3 whole square means minus 3 square, which is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Here AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. AB square plus AC square is equal to 25 plus 25, which is equal to 50, which is equal to BC square. Hence ABC is a right angle triangle with BC is its hypotenuse. Matlab BC is hypotenuse means angle A is 90. So angle A is 90 degree. Since AB square is equal to AC square, that means AB is equal to AC. Since AB square is equal to AC square, means AB is equal to AC. Hence it is a right isosceles triangle. Question number 33. If point Px, y is equidistant from x, y is equidistant from 2 points A and B, 5, 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 5. This point P is equidistant, hence you have to find out that means PA is equal to PB. Like this, use the distance formula. In the question it is asked you that prove that x is equal to y. You will easily get x is equal to y. Solve by using distance formula. It's okay?